Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 2nd August. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. First one. Ministry of MSME launched a program under Gramodyog Vikas Yojana to benefit which manufacturing artisans? Correct answer is Agarbatti. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises approved a program under Gramodyog Vikas Yojana for the benefit of artisans involved in manufacturing of agarbatti and to develop village industry. As part of this program, a total of 200 automatic agarbatti making machines and 40 mixing machines will be provided to the artisans. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission under the Ministry of MSME will provide training and assist artisans with agarbatti manufacturing machines. About KVIC, KVIC was formed in 1957 by the Government of India with a view of development of Khadi and village industries in the rural areas. Headquarters of KVIC is in Mumbai. Its chairman is Vinay Kumar Saxena, and who is the Minister of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises? Nitin Gadkari. Next one. Kona Kona Umid, a 2-month campaign was launched by which bank recently? Answer is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank has launched a special 2-month campaign, Kona Kona Umid, with offers and discounts on its products to make banking and shopping more rewarding for the customers to boost customer demand during the pandemic. This campaign provides offers and discounts for its products including loans, savings accounts, current accounts, corporate salary accounts, deals on Kotak debit cards, credit cards and digital payments, retail, business and agri segments. About Kotak Mahindra Bank, it was founded in 2003. Its headquarters is in Mumbai and its MD and CEO is Uday Kotak. Next one. Ministry of Tribal Affairs has won which award at the 66th Scotch Awards recently? Answer is Scotch Gold. Ministry of Tribal Affairs won the Scotch Gold Award for its project of scholarship division, empowerment of tribals through IT-enabled scholarship schemes. These awards were presented virtually at the 66th Scotch Summit at New Delhi. Ministry of Tribal Affairs participated in the Digital India and E-Governance 2020 competition. Scotch Awards includes 1 Platinum Award, 3 Gold Awards and 10 Silver Awards every year. The Scotch Award is the highest civilian honor in India, instituted in 2003 to recognize the people, projects and institutions that work to build a better India. These awards cover the best of efforts in the areas of digital, financial and social inclusion. And remember, Minister of Tribal Affairs is Arjun Munda. Next one. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Ivory Coast recently? Answer is Hamid Bakayoko. Hamid Bakayoko has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of Ivory Coast. Prior to this, he was a Defense Minister of Ivory Coast and he was serving as an interim Prime Minister after the death of the previous Prime Minister. In the past, he also served as a mayor of Abobo, which is one of the most populous districts in Ivory Coast. About Ivory Coast is also known as Cote d'Ivoire and its capital is Yamoussoukro and its currency is West African franc. Next one. Lee Teng-hui passed away recently. He was a former president of which country? Correct answer is Taiwan. Lee Teng-hui was a former president of Taiwan. He served as the president from the year 1988 to 2000. He died due to multiple organ failure and septic shock. He had suffered from infections and cardiac problems since he was admitted to hospital in February. Lee had the nickname Mr. Democracy and Taiwan's father of democracy for his actions to democratize Taiwan's government and his opposition to ruling communists in mainland China. About Taiwan, capital of Taiwan is Taipei. Its currency is New Taiwan dollar. Next one. When is World Ranger Day observed? It is observed on 31st July. World Ranger Day is celebrated annually on July 31st around the world and it is promoted by the 54-member Association of the International Ranger Federation. This day celebrates the accomplishments done by rangers around the world and honors those who have died in the course of their duties. Rangers preserve and protect parklands and natural protected areas and forests. The first World Ranger Day was observed in 2007 by the Thin Green Line Foundation. Next question. India tied up with which country for 8 million pounds medicinal research recently? Answer is United Kingdom. United Kingdom and India tied up for 5 new medicinal research projects worth 8 million pounds to tackle the antimicrobial resistance to support the combat against antibiotic resistant bacteria and genes. United Kingdom and India both will contribute 4 million pounds each for the fundings of the 5 projects that are planned for September 2020. Remember, UK is the second biggest research partner of India. This investment will enable the nations to jointly work on global health challenges like the search for COVID-19 vaccine. About United Kingdom, Prime Minister of UK is Boris Johnson. Its capital is London and currency is pound sterling. Next one. Who unveiled the book titled Padi Bhavajalalu? Telugu version of 10 Ideologies book authored by former Union Minister late S. Jaipal Reddy. Answer is M. Venkaiah Naidu. M. Venkaiah Naidu, Vice President of India, virtually unveiled the Padi Bhavajalalu, Telugu version 10 Ideologies book authored by former Union Minister late S. Jaipal Reddy and published by Orient Black Swan amid his family members and followers on the event of his first death anniversary. The virtual launch was organized under the aegis of Manthan, a forum for public discourse. The translation was done by Kalluri Bhaskaram. Next one. The underground ballistic missile during Great Puppet 14 military exercise was launched by which country? Answer is Iran. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, a paramilitary force, launched the underground ballistic missiles from the depths of the earth in a completely camouflaged way during the last day of Great Puppet 14 military exercise near Gulf waters. These launches were carried out without the platform and usual equipment. Great Puppet 14 is an exercise designed to showcase Iranian air and naval power. About Iran, Iran is located in Western Asia. Its capital is Tehran and its currency is Iranian rial. Next one. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the new Supreme Court building of which country recently? Answer is Mauritius. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Mauritius, Mr. Praveen Jagnnath, jointly inaugurated the new Supreme Court building in Mauritius through video conference. This Supreme Court building has been constructed with Indian grant assistance of $30 million and is the first India-assisted infrastructure project. The newly inaugurated building is one of the 5 projects being implemented under the Special Economic Package of $353 million extended by India to Mauritius in 2016. About Mauritius, Mauritius is an island nation located in Indian Ocean near East Africa. Its capital is Port Louis and currency is Mauritian rupee. These are the important current affairs for 2nd August. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.